Top 10 luxury hotels in Dubai. Dubai is a spectacular city, mixing the past and the present to thrilling effect and offering something for everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 luxury hotels in Dubai. There are a lot of luxurious hotels, resorts, and restaurants in Dubai. Alternatively, you can haggle for gold in the Gold Souk, a traditional market that is composed of over 300 gold merchants. Explore Palm Jumeirah, an artificial archipelago that features a water park and dolphin sanctuary, and look out over the city's skyline from the 148th floor of the Burj Khalifa, the highest structure on the planet. You might also go to the indoor ski resort of Ski Dubai to get away from the heat, or you can relax on one of Dubai's many beaches. This city is not just a must-see, but also a luxury traveler's dream because it is synonymous with world-class hotels and resorts. Here's a list that I have compiled of the top 10 most luxurious hotels in Dubai. Number 1. Atlantis the Palm, Dubai. Starts at $330 per night. From the shoreline of Palm Island, which is the largest man-made island in the world, this exciting real estate development is taking shape in Dubai. Atlantis the Palm, which is positioned as the flagship property that it is located at the apex of the Palm Island's outer crescent, and it is surrounded by the incredibly serene sea that is part of the Arabian Gulf. A blockbuster luxury hotel with more than 1,500 rooms and suites, the Palatial Hotel is one of the most magnificent resorts in Dubai. It also features an aquatic wonderland. The resort is home to some of the most sophisticated hotel rooms in all of Dubai, each of which is outfitted to provide visitors with unrivaled levels of both comfort and elegance. The underwater suites at this hotel have stunning views of the underwater landscape, which include the ancient ruins of the mythical lost city of Atlantis, as well as the 65,000 aquatic inhabitants of the area. Families are going to adore the hotel's Aquaventure water park since it allows them to explore the underwater world at the Lost Chambers Aquarium and get up close and personal with the wonderful marine creatures at Dolphin Bay and Sea Lion Point. Number 2. Park Hyatt, Dubai. Start at $203 per night. A luxurious vacation can be had at the Park Hyatt, Dubai, which is found in the Dubai Creek Golf and Yacht Club on the banks of the gorgeous Dubai Creek. This location is ideal for getting away from it all. This 5-star resort features 223 luxurious rooms, including 34 suites. All of the accommodations, including the suites, have breathtaking views of the Dubai Creek and harbor. The hotel's multiple award-winning restaurants serve only the highest quality dishes from Western, Thai, and French culinary traditions. Both the indoor and outdoor dining experiences at the hotel are brought to a new level of excitement and sophistication because of the hotel's floor-to-ceiling windows, wood-fired ovens, and theater kitchens. The property also provides its guests with several exciting activities, such as Sewings, the aerial seaplane that takes off from Dubai Creek, an 18-hole par 71 championship course that rolls into thousands of undulating yards, or pampering spa treatments at the luxury Jumeirah Spa, which is one of the finest spas in Dubai. The property is a premium Dubai city resort. Number 3. Jumeirah Al Qasr. Start at $299 per night. The name Al Qasr translates to the palace, and this hotel is undeniably a shining star of Madinat Jumeirah, also known as the City of Jumeirah. The hotel is designed to look like the summer home of a sheik, and it replicates the classic architecture of royal residences while also featuring opulent contemporary touches throughout. The hotel itself will leave you speechless. It is approached through a tree-lined avenue that is ornamented with wonderfully sculpted Arabian horses, and the approach to it will take your breath away. A homage is paid through the design of all 292 rooms to the centuries-old architectural styles of Arabia. Because it is a part of the spectacular Madinat Jumeirah, the Jumeirah Al Qasr offers all the facilities and activities of the larger resort. Guests can take traditional wooden Ibr boats to travel to more than 40 restaurants and bars of world-class caliber. The resort features a recreation of a historic market called Souk Madinat Jumeirah, which contains more than 70 boutiques and galleries. Additionally, the resort features a mile-long stretch of private beach, several water sports, 19 indoor and outdoor swimming pools, and free admission to Wild Wadi Water Park. Number 4. Four Seasons at Jumeirah Beach. Start at $408 per night. The Four Seasons Resort Dubai at Jumeirah Beach reflects the energy and excitement of Dubai in a beautiful beach resort setting by bringing a contemporary and elegant aesthetic to the bustling city of Dubai. The property is an oasis tucked away in the middle of the prestigious Jumeirah neighborhood, and it features a palatial lobby with floor-to-ceiling glass windows that look out onto the gorgeous gardens and the Arabian Gulf. It uses luxury while maintaining an air of understated elegance thanks to the polished marble and bespoke Murano chandeliers. On one side, the 237 spacious accommodations, which include 49 suites, give views of the Arabian Gulf. and on the other side, the accommodations offer views of Burj Khalifa and the city's skyline. There are 3 pools, a variety of water sports, and numerous shopping and dining establishments, so there is plenty to keep everyone busy. So viewers, don't forget to put in button the thumb up, click to the bell, and subscribe. Number 5. Raffles The Palm in Dubai. Start at $231 per night. Raffles was inspired by the palaces of continental Europe. The Palm Dubai, formerly known as the Emerald Palace Kempinski Dubai, is a 5-star luxury beach resort that is committed to the finer aspects of life. The resort was once known as the Emerald Palace Kempinski Dubai. At this landmark resort on Palm Jumeirah, guests are welcome to immerse themselves in a beautifully crafted accommodation, eating, and leisure experience, and they will also have the opportunity to discover Dubai's renowned palace by the sea. The aura of luxury is carried throughout each of the hotel's spacious rooms and suites, which are adorned with handcrafted Italian details and complemented by amenities that have been meticulously selected. The elegance is supplemented by great leisure amenities such as a private beach and lagoon pool. Additionally, there are 5 culinary experiences, including a Japanese restaurant and one of the largest spa centers, Cinque Mondes Spa, which features 23 treatment rooms. Number 6. One and Only The Palm. Start at $545 per night. One and Only is an upscale and elegant hotel. The Palm is an amazing low-rise boutique sanctuary that may be found on the exclusive peninsula of Palm Island that is lushly planted. The hotel features contemporary stylish decor in addition to Moorish and Andalusian architecture, and it has a total of 90 guest rooms and 4 private villas that are located directly on the beach. At One and Only The Palm, you can get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and relax in the sun beside shimmering pools and a private beach with white sand. Capture the calm of the day in the Guerlain Spa, which is set among ponds, fountains, and open courtyards, and tantalize your palate with an enviable selection of bars and restaurants that are led by Chef Yannick Alano, who has earned 3 Michelin stars for his culinary creations. One and Only Royal Mirage, the property's equally exquisite sister resort, can be found on the other side of the water. At One and Only Royal Mirage, the world's most discriminating tourists are likewise guaranteed a warm welcome, understated luxury, and discreet, attentive service. Number 7. Armani Hotel Dubai. Start at $490 per night. The Armani Hotel Dubai can be found inside the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest tower in the world. The hotel is part of a mixed-use development that also includes 144 apartments and 160 guest rooms. The hotel in the downtown area extends up to the 8th story and subsequently to the 38th and 39th floors, whilst the residences in the Burj Khalifa Tower are located on levels 9 to 16. Giorgio Armani himself was responsible for selecting each design element, which contributes to the property's sophisticated and modest vibe. Behind the doors of the guest rooms is a world of understated elegance. The walls are ornamented with handmade leather from Florence, the floors are covered with Japanese tatami, and the baths are clad in gray stones from Alicante, Spain. All of these elements blend in well with the clean and curved lines of the tower's architecture. The luxurious Armani SPA personalizes each aspect of the experience for each guest and boasts a stunning outdoor pool that wraps around one of the Burj Khalifa's corners. The hotel's dining establishments provide a variety of cuisines including Italian, Mediterranean, Japanese, and Indian. Number 8. Burj Al Arab. $279.13 United States dollar. It is more than just a stunning hotel. The distinctive sail-shaped silhouette of Burj Al Arab Jumeirah, a glittering architectural marvel in the middle of the Arabian Gulf, is an emblem of modern Dubai, a world-famous icon and a symbol of extreme wealth, which is why the resort is very popular among the rich and famous. The Burj Al Arab is the only hotel in the world that advertises itself as a 7-star super luxury hotel, and it only has accommodations in the form of expansive suites. Each suite is constructed of 2 stories, and the connection between the floors is made via a marble staircase. In this luxurious bathroom, complete with a jacuzzi, mosaic floor, and full-size Hermes items, you may relax and rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. The luxurious foyer features enormous golden columns and provides access to several upscale retailers and dining establishments. In addition, the resort boasts a magnificent outdoor deck area that is elevated over the water and is equipped with 2 swimming pools, a restaurant, and a bar. Number 9. Bulgari Resort. Start at $531 per night. The Bulgari Resort Dubai is a genuine urban oasis for both tourists and locals alike thanks to its location on the private and man-made Jumeirah Bay, an island that has been sculpted into the shape of a seahorse and is connected to the central Dubai coastline by a bridge of 300 meters, 980 feet. The entire facility was designed by Antonio Ciderio Patricia Viel, a renowned Italian architectural team that is responsible for the construction of all Bulgari hotels and resorts. This bright and cheery property features 101 guest rooms and suites in addition to 20 Bulgari villas, each of which has its own private pool, garden, and sea view. There is a comprehensive selection of amenities available, including restaurants of the highest caliber, an ultra-luxe spa complete with a hammam, Dubai's most elite beach club featuring a private beach, and a swimming pool with a mosaic pattern unlike any other. The complex includes a private marina that has berthing for 50 boats and the first Bulgari yacht club in the world, both of which have unrivaled views of the water and are intended to make the guests' stay more enjoyable. Number 10. Maha, a collection desert resort and spa. Start at $858 per night. The Maha, part of the luxury collection, is a desert resort and spa that can be found within the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve. This reserve is home to a rich variety of desert species including palm groves, emerald canopies, and distinctive dunes. The property highlights the legacy and architecture of the Bedouins and also provides a sense of desert adventure in addition to its secluded calm and spectacular vistas of the expansive plains and Hajr Mountain Massif. The suites, which are reminiscent of Bedouin tents and offer unrivaled luxury, are set far away from one another and merge gently into the surrounding desert. Also, the suites are exquisitely decorated with a one-of-a-kind collection of genuine Arabian artifacts and antiquities, and they also feature private pools with breathtaking views of the desert and the animals that live there, such as gazelles and Arabian oryx. All meals and 2 activities during each night's stay are included in the price of a stay at Maha. Activities include camel rides with sundowner drinks, archery, nature hikes, and more. Do you find this video valuable? Feel free to post your valuable response in our comment section below. If you want to see another amazing travel tips and place subscriber to see the next videos.